over 7 feet tall, like Hurdle, couldn't get there in time.
Murray works his way around the screen, and that's just too easy.
Redick on the board and a 4-point New Orleans lead. Here's Murray with a pull-up, knocks down the mid-range jump shot.
Yes, they had more. The Spurs' defensive efforts have picked up.
Murray goes glass. The Cavalier lead is 1.
Shot clock is down to 8. San Antonio down by 10. Murray, the pull-up jump. It's good, and a foul.
Murray, nice little crossover, sends it, scores it. Dejounte Murray.
Here's Murray. Oubre got a hand on it. Boy, tough defense there from Kelly. Just better offense from Dejounte Murray.